Hi all, in this video we are going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of single entry system. Single entry system is the oldest and most straightforward method of keeping records of financial transactions, which is rarely prevalent these days. In this system, only one side of the transaction is recorded because of the absence of any prescribed rules, and so the records maintained are more or less incomplete. Advantages of single entry system. First one is simplicity. Single entry system of bookkeeping is a simple system that requires minimal knowledge and training to use. This makes it ideal for small businesses that do not have the resources to hire a professional accountant. Cost. Single entry bookkeeping is much cheaper than a double entry system of bookkeeping, since it is very um, um, minimal effort is required to maintain, and a cost required for this single entry system is also less when compared to double entry system of bookkeeping. Accuracy. Since there is only one entry for each transactions, errors are less likely to occur. Next is time savings. Single entry bookkeeping is faster than double entry bookkeeping, which can take hours to complete. Mm, Flexibility. Single entry bookkeeping allows for more flexibility when it comes to making changes or adjustments to the books. Record keeping. Since all transactions are recorded in one place, it is easier to keep track of records and make sure everything is up to date. Tax preparation. Single entry bookkeeping makes tax preparation much easier. All the information is already organized in one place. Security. With single entry bookkeeping, there is less risk of data loss or theft, since all the information is stored in one place. Reporting. Single entry bookkeeping makes it easier to generate reports, since all the information is already organized in one place. Automation. Many single entry bookkeeping system offers automation features that can help save time and effort when it comes to managing the books. Easy to understand. Single entry bookkeeping is easy to understand, and it is useful for small businesses that do not have the resources to hire a professional accountant. Efficient. Since all the information is stored in one place, it is easier to access and use when needed. Streamlined. Single entry bookkeeping helps streamline the accounting process by eliminating unnecessary steps. Cost savings. Single entry bookkeeping can help save money, since it requires less time and effort to maintain. Security. With single entry bookkeeping, there is less risk of data loss or theft. The information is stored in one place. Complex in nature. Double entry system is complex in nature as to take care of lots of rules and regulations of accounting standards and accounting principles. Time and cost. It requires more time to maintain the accounting books, so it involves more clerk, which leads to an increase in cost. Not for small firms. Small firms cannot hire a person who has proper knowledge of accounting, as their charge is very high. Expert knowledge. It requires expert knowledge of account to use the double entry system of bookkeeping. Um, Increase in book size. Every transactions needs to record in two places, so the size of books will increase, or who have data in electronic form need a more powerful computer to handle that data. Limited accuracy. Since there is only one entry for each transaction, errors are more likely to occur if not checked carefully. Limited reporting. Single entry bookkeeping does not provide detailed reports like double entry bookkeeping does. Limited security. Since all the information is stored in one place, there is a high chance of data loss or theft if the system is not properly secured. Limited automation. Many single entry bookkeeping systems do not offer automation features, which can make managing the books more difficult and time consuming. Limited flexibility. It does not allow for as much as flexibility when it comes to making changes or adjustments to the books as double entry bookkeeping does. Limited record keeping. Since all transactions are recorded in one place, it can be difficult to track and track of records. Make sure everything is up to date. Limited tax preparation. Single entry bookkeeping does not provide as much information as double entry bookkeeping when it comes to tax preparation. And last one is difficult to understand. Single entry bookkeeping can be difficult to understand and make it less ideal for larger business that requires more complex accounting system. So these are all the disadvantages of single entry system. Thank you.